Today we are going to learn about the path variable. Can anyone say that what do you mean by path? It is just a variable, path. So can anyone say that what do you mean by path? Path variable is nothing but it is just a path that is going to be get displayed. Whether my screen is visible for you people?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
O $path. There are some predefined paths which are present in this variable. So whenever I restarts the system, whenever I boots the system, these are the directories which are going to be get executed automatically without your permissions. See, when I give a path, slash user slash local slash bin colon slash bin colon, and these are the predefined path. Okay, where the colon is there, no, it is a separator or a delimiter for your one directory. Where starting from slash ending to the bin, this one. This will says that it is completely one directory. Whereas coming for this is also one complete one directory. And from here to here, one directory. Here to here, it is one directory. Same again, here it is also one directory. These are the separate directories. Okay. The second thing is when you restart this, automatically it starts for your execution. These directories one by one until it finds your executable files. Until you are going to get your executable files, it is go on searching one by one in the directories to execute the document. For this example, for the statements, I'll give an example. Are you people installed Java software, Eclipse software? Have you people installed
Yes, sir.
Eclipse? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Installing Java,
Yes, sir.
you need to set your environment variables. Yes or no? You people are going to be set environment variables where you going for your bin of your JDK. You will be extracting of your JDK path, and you people are going to be get stored it in your properties. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, those are the predefined one. The
Yes, sir.
same way here also, they all these paths have been set for your dollar path. All these uh, directories have been set to this path variable. When you write this command, automatically it is going to be get display this path. When you reboot your system, automatically these directories are going to be get executed. Okay, understood about your path variable?
Yes.
Okay, now we will see how to do the manipulation for your path. In the sense, how to change for path, how to assign your path. Okay, how to set in the sense where path is equal to colon slash user slash local slash bin colon slash bin. Okay, first I'll show one thing for you before showing this. When I say this, all the files have been recorded and run. When I say that ls, this will start the execution. Where this ls command present in the sense, this ls command is presented within this bin. Within this bin it is located. Okay, the ls command is presented within this bin. Now we'll remove that bin and we'll execute. path is equal to, how you are going to assign your variables, the same way you need to assign your variables here. There is no any difference. Colon slash user slash bin colon slash user slash local slash sbin colon slash user slash sbin. Okay, this is the path which I have set for your path variable. When I press enter, oh, it got okay. When I execute your echo path, it has to be print the what I have given, what I have assigned to your path variable. See, check it out. Now I have removed this bin. I have removed this bin and I have updated. Now, all these, when I reboot your system, all these things are going to be get executed. Now, when I press ls, this command doesn't work. Hey, I got it. How come? Okay, I don't have permissions to remove. Okay, actually, what it happens in the sense here, which I shows here, I have executed in another one terminal yesterday in the online, I mean, normal installed system. When I use this path, I have removed the bin and have executed. This is the what the pin I mean user I'm going to get it. When I try with a $ls, it will shows that ls command not found. Why? Because this ls command which are stored in this bin, the ls command which are stored in this bin. If we remove this directory doesn't execute, then ls command is also not going to be get executed. Understood? Nothing, yeah. Actually, I don't have a permissions to do all these things. Why? Because it is an online terminal what I'm showing. If I remove, I mean, if I change the path, that particular directory, whatever the content is there, that you need to be removed and everything should be get stored. When I press ls, it has to show that it is a bash command. Why? Because we have this ls command which is stored in this particular bin. When I remove this particular directory, this should also be get closed. And now the path variable is set. Clear?
Yes, sir.
I'll try it out once again. I don't have permission settings. Have you understood the path variable? Have you understood this path variable? Anyone have a doubts? Anyone have a doubts? Shall I move to the next topic? Are you people there?
Yes,
Yes,
Hey,
sir.
at
sir.
least understood or not, man?
Kind of, sir.
Understood, sir.
Next, we'll go for your absolute path names and relative path names. Can anyone say that what do you mean by an absolute path names? I think yesterday I had said for you what do you mean by an
Starting
absolute
from
path
the
names?
root directory.
Exactly. Starting from your root directory till to your which directory you want to go, then that is what your absolute path names. As I had shown in the second example, cat slash home slash b2 exam1 slash program1. This is what the one we need to write it here. Clear?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, if the first character of a path name starts with a slash, forward slash, then that file locations must be determined with respect to your root. In the sense, it need to be start the searching from your root till you get your particular file which is present in the given path in the particular directory. The second thing is no two files in Unix system can have identical absolute path names. What do you mean by that? By seeing the first statement, what you can say?
there cannot be two files with the same name, basically.
Yes, yes. Same name should not be contained. I mean, same name should not have for the both the files, and these both the files should not present in the same directory. Okay. Second thing is that is the different. I mean, opposite to that. You can have two files with the same name, but it should have in a different directories. First, we'll see about your absolute path names. Have here you're getting a blue file name. How are you looking? Are you getting which I have selected here?
Yes, sir.
That is your directory. Where you are seeing all these things in the pink color, that is your files. Understood? Now, I'll enter into this Unix folder. I'll enter into this Unix folder. Once I've entered into this Unix folder, I'll create one folder which is known as of your p.txt. I'll enter. What happened? No such file or directory now. Okay, once I'll write it hi, hello, then I'll close it. Now I'll come out this particular file. Now I'll press ls. I don't have. Okay. Now cd unix. I'll press ls. I have two things. Okay. Can anyone say that there is a one directory? What is the directory here?
Fifth sem.
Fifth sem. Exactly. Fifth sem we have this. Okay. Now what I should do in the sense, I need to enter into your fifth sem. Now I'll press ls. Can anyone say that how many files we have?
Two files.
Two files. Now I want to extract this program1.txt from your from which
Fifth
location?
sem.
Fifth
Fifth
sem.
sem.
Not from fifth sem. From home directory, I want to retrieve your fifth sem. I mean program1.txt. So what I should do in the sense? Don't bother about this CD and everything. I'll explain it once again for you clearly. Okay. Now, completely I'm in the home directory. Now I want to extract program1.txt. Can anyone say that how to I move? How I should move?
Root directory
Root directory?
and Unix.
No.
Fifth sem.
No.
No, sir.
Home slash Santosh Reddy P slash Unix slash fifth sem slash program1.txt. Whether I got it the data which is present in the program1.txt. When you give like this, when you give like this type of path, this path we will say that it is a absolute path. Understood? Are you clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This is what I have selected the complete path, which is we are going to call it as of your absolute path. Now we'll see what is the another path you have to see.
Relative path.
Yes, exactly, relative path you have to see. Can anyone say that what do you mean by relative path? Can anyone say that what do you mean by relative path? Relative path name is nothing but rather than giving from the root directory to your till folder file name, we should start either your parent or a child and the program. Understood what I've said? Relative path name uses either the parent or child directory or either parent or a current directory as a reference, and you are going to specify the path. Okay, cat slash Unix slash fifth sem slash program1.txt. Whether you are going to get output. Cat Unix fifth sem slash program1.txt. See, are you understanding the difference?
Yes, sir.
I have not started with my root directory. You have to start with either from the parent directory or in the current directory. Cleared?
Sir,
Have you understood?
why didn't you get the this thing in the output when you type the first time?
In the first time, this here,
Hmm.
there was CCCAT, but I'm not getting here only, we have only one C, AT. But when I'm giving a command, it is CCAT.
I
Understood why you didn't got?
no, sir. I still didn't get it.
See, when I'm writing the command for cat
Mm-hmm.
command, I have written CCAT it seems.
Okay,
But
sir.
here it is CAT. It is an
Hmm.
online terminal. Internally, I have got some problem. That's it.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now what I do in the sense, cd. I will enter into the Unix. Now you say me, how should I give the relative path here? I want to give the relative path name to print program2.txt which is present in the fifth sem directory. How should I extract the program2.txt contents?
cat fifth sem / pgm2.txt.
Cat fifth sem / pgm2.txt. Nothing is there in that. We'll check it out. cd fifth sem cat program2.txt. I think nothing is there in the program2.txt, so you got that nothing. So, have you understood the difference between your relative path name and the absolute path name? Anyone who have a doubts?
No, sir.
Amruta, whether have you cleared your doubt?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, whether have you understood?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Kavya B, have you understood? Kavya, Ishanya, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Viha, have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Amit, Amit,
Yes, sir.
whether the concept is cleared for you?
Yes, sir.
So now we'll move to the next
Excuse me,
topic.
sir.
Yes,
Sir, is this Unix operating system not free open source available on online?
hey, it is an operating system, man. How can you get an operating system online?
So, sir, there is no other way other than this online
You
terminal.
can, no, we can see, you need to install, either you need to install your operating system in your system or you have to use your online terminals.
Uh, okay, sir. Sir, you
Hmm?
also have not installed in your system.
My system doesn't support two operating systems.
Uh, okay, sir.
I have 4 GB of RAM and 1 TB of hard disk. In the 4 GB of RAM, I need to run Python, I need to run .NET, I need to run Android. And again, if I try to install Unix, then my system will get crash. So, haven't installed. That's it. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Clear? Fine.
Sir,
Next, yes.
I had a doubt related to path variable.
Yes, same.
So basically, path variable gives us the location where we have to search for the commands, or we give the location where this.
No, it's not like that.
Hmm.
When you're going to set your environment variables for your Java, no,
Hmm.
the same way this is also. In the sense for path, there are some variables which are assigned to it. Okay.
Mhm.
When you boot your system, automatically these files start execution
Okay.
without your acceptance.
Okay.
Okay. There are two ways. Just you need to know what it has been set for your path, how it is set. How can you change the path, that you have to know. That's it.
Okay, sir.
Cleared?
Yes, sir.
Next, we will move to the another one concept which is known as PWD. PWD. PWD stands for your
Present
Present
working directory.
working directory.
yes present working directory. See, now if I says that PWD, it has to show what?
Unix.
It has to show from the root to till in which directory I am. Understood? Cleared?
Yes. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now you say me which directory it has to show for me. Say me what is your output you have to get.
Oh, I don't know.
Are by seeing your my terminal name you can identify it in
Slash
which
home
directory I
slash
am.
Santosh Reddy P.
Exactly, that's it. PWD. Enter. That is the what you are going to get. Suppose if I'm entered into Unix, now you say me what you are going to get your path if I use the PWD command.
Home,
Till
Santosh
Unix,
Reddy
from the
P,
root
and
directory till
Unix.
Unix.
Exactly. PWD slash home slash Santosh Reddy P slash Unix you are going to get. Okay. Now can anyone say that when I use PWD, which type of path name we are getting? Which
Absolute.
absolute path name we are going to get? Whenever we use a present working directory command, we are going to get absolute path names only. Absolute path names only. Cleared anyone? Sorry, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall I move to the next command?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we have another one command which is known as cd command. cd command. cd stands for change directory. cd stands for your change directory. Okay. cd, the syntax for your cd command is, I'll clear this and I'll let you know. cd space folder name you have to specify, in the sense in which folder you have to jump, that folder name you have to be specified here. Okay. Now I want to come out from my question is, now I want to enter into your Unix folder. How should I enter? What is the command we need to write it?
CD space Unix.
cd space Unix. When I write, when I press enter, it will enter into your directory. Whatever the argument you have passed for an cd command, it will move to that particular directory. Now you say me, if I want to move to your fifth sem directory, how should I pass?
CD space 50.
cd space first sem, enter. Now you check it out, I'm there here. When I press pwd, it will just come from there to end of this current directory. Okay. Now you say me, without passing any argument, if I say that if I've written only cd, whether this command executes or not.
No, sir.
No,
It will, sir.
it will. If it says that it will execute, can anyone say that what is the answer you're, I mean, what is the answer you have guessed?
Home directory.
Exactly. See, previously I was in a fifth sem directory. When I press CD without passing an argument, directly I came back to your home directory. I'll show here. When I press PWD, enter, now I'm in a home directory. Understood? Cleared?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next. Now, CD, Unix, fifth sim. Whether it works out?
Yes, sir.
See, this is what type of path name?
Relative.
Relative, exactly. If I press CD dot, in the sense we will move one directory back. Okay, what is the parent directory of fifth sim?
Unix.
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 Unix. Then we will move to your Unix command, Unix directory. If I press CD space dot dot, now you say me who is the parent directory of your Unix?
Home.
Toasted DP.
Santosh
Santosh
Reddy.
Reddy
Santosh
P with
Reddy.
your this. Have you understood CD space dot dot? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, previously I have written here somewhere like CD dot dot slash dot dot. What do you mean by it? Can anyone
Going
say
to
that what
starting home directory.
no, in the sense CD dot dot. First, you have to think CD space dot dot in the sense we need to leave the one directory. Next, slash dot dot in the sense again it says that okay, we need to leave that parent directory also. Okay, here can anyone say that how many directories we are moving? Leaving?
Two.
Two.
Two directories, exactly. Two directories we are going to come out. Fine. Have you understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now another one command is there which is known as mkdir. Mkdir stands for your make directory. Mkdir stands for your make directory. Once you've done your make, when we pass this as mkdir, one argument, you think that I can pass um, 036 VA 036 you think. mkdir in the sense just we are creating one directory. Can anyone say that in which directory I am creating this directory?
Unix.
Home. Home.
Unix. In Unix or Santosh Reddy P directory?
Santosh Reddy.
Yes, I have created one directory. Shall we see whether the directory is created or not? ls. Whether the directory is created,
Yes, sir.
can anyone say that where the directory is placed in the when you use ls command, in which text or directory beside it is placed here?
Time dot
Time.txt.
text.
Exactly. It is not nothing that where it should be get placed. Anywhere it can be placed. For your confirmation, I'm just asking whether you people are there in the class or not. That's it.
Sir, the parent directory of VA036 is Santosh Reddy P.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Now I want to get into this particular directory. I have to use VA036. Now, if I want to know the current directory, I have to use your this. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll give another one. mkdir A B C. What do you mean by it?
Three files are created under VA036.
LS. Clear? Under three, I mean, three directories are going to be get created under BA036. Now I'll come back with one step ahead. And now I want to create another one way, which is mkdir san of ABC directory and san of DEF. Can anyone say that where it is going to be get created? I mean, where it is going to be get created? What is the other ABC and DEF? What is the syntax here? What is this in the sense? mkdir. We can create multiple I mean, we can create first. Previously, we have seen creating of multiple directories. Now we are going to see under one directory how we can create multiple directories in a single command. Understood what I have said? Under one directory, how to create multiple subdirectories. That is the what here. mkdir san. In the sense, it is going to create one directory which is known as of san. Again, space san/abc. Under the san directory, you have abc directory. Next, san, DEF. In the sense, again san, under the san, you are going to have DEF directories. Now you say me, in which directory SAN is going to be get created?
Santosh Reddy.
Santosh Reddy.
Okay. Under this, I mean, under the Santosh Reddy P, SAN is going to be get created. Under the SAN, how many directories are going to be get created? What are the directory names?
Two directories, ABC and DEF.
Exactly. First, we'll see whether SAN directory is created or not. Whether SAN directory is created.
Yes, sir.
Now, I want to move into that SAN directory. The command is cd space SAN. Now I will enter. Shall we see another two directories are created or not? For that, ls
LS.
space ABCDEF are created or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So,
Okay, now the same way I want to create another one directory in the DEF. What should I do?
mkdir space DEF.
No, 1 second. Suppose you think that I want to create a directory in the Santosh Reddy P. Okay, the directory name should have your USN. Under your USN, you are going to have two directories. One directory will be A, another one directory will be B. Under the B directory, again I want to create another one directory. How should I create all these directories in one single command?
San.
Hmm.
After san slash USN.
I mkdir your
After
USN
San.
your USN
No, but it will
046.
come under SAN, no, sir.
I've asked. First, under the Santosh Reddy DP, you have to create one directory. That directory name should have USN. Okay. Under your USN directory, you have to create two directories. Those directories names are A and B. Again, under the B directory, I want to create another one directory. With that directory name is C. Have you understood the problem?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Understood.
sir.
Okay, have created your USN. Under the USN, what you are going to get have, how many directories you should have?
Two.
Two directories.
056 slash A,
A
Space
VA,
VA
space
056 slash B.
slash
B.
slash
Next,
BA
B
056
slash
slash B
E
slash
slash
C.
Slash
C.
C.
slash C.
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 LS. First, we'll check VA056 as created or not. Now, I want to enter into that VA056 directory. What is the command I need to use?
CD space
CD BA
CD space
056.
VA 036
056.
56.
56. Now I have entered into that. Now we will check whether A and B directories are created or not.
LS.
List LS.
LS have been used, A and B are created. Now I want to check whether the C directory is created or not. Now you say me in which directory I want to move?
B.
B.
CD B. Okay. Now again I need to press LS.
LS.
Whether C directory is created.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Have you understood how to create a directories?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Understood.
Hmm. Okay. Another one thing, the
Sir,
command. Uh,
what happens if we just give CD space only one dot? Does it have any meaning or?
what happens?
Nothing. It's in the same directory.
See, I mean, I have some this. I mean, it represents the current directory. In the sense, in which directory are there, it represents that current directory.
Okay, sir.
Okay. If I press CD dot dot, what it represents?
The parent directory.
Parent directory. Now I am in a B directory. If I come out from the CD dot dot, which directory it has to move?
VS
VA
056.
056.
Cleared? It didn't enter now.
Yes, sir.
What happened? Now,
Yes, sir.
now I'm in the home directory. Hello? Now we are going to learn another one command which is known as rmdir command. What do you mean by an rmdir command?
Remove directory.
Remove directory.
Remove directory. My question is, can we remove our direct, can we remove the directory directly by specifying one single argument? Like example, rmdir. What is the recent command which we have created?
VA
First.
056.
Can we remove this command directly like this? Can we remove it? If we remove like this, what you are going to get, we'll see. What is the thing we are having?
We have to
Image.
remove all the directory under it.
Separately.
Subdirectories.
Exactly. In the sense, we need to move CDVA056. Now we need to check it out one by one. Sorry. LS one by one. We have A and B. Now can we remove the A directory?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir.
Because there is no
Because it doesn't
subdirectory
have
for
sub.
A.
Exactly. Exactly. We have removed a directory. Once if we removed, if we press ls, what is the remaining directory you should be get output?
B, sir. B.
B.
B. Exactly, you got it. Now rmdir, can I use directly B?
No,
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 sir.
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 There is
What I should
subdirectory
do?
present under B.
Okay, now I need to use cd B. Now I need to use rmdir. Which folder, which directory?
C. C.
C
C.
directory. Now it has went. Now I need to press ls. There are no more directories. Now you say me which directory I can remove?
B.
B.
B. No such file or directory.
So you have to go back to VAC.
Okay, okay, okay. Now we need to move cd dot. It moved in the sense it moved to your parent directory. Now your parent directory is VA056. Now we can remove rmdir and B. Now you can check it out ls. No more directories which are present in the VA056. So now I need to move for your parent directory of your VA056. The parent directory of VA056 is Santosh Reddy P. Now I am in the Santosh Reddy P directory. So I can delete my child. So rmdir VA056, enter, cleared. Now you press ls. Whether VA056 is visible for you people?
No, sir.
No. Is it cleared for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Anyone who have a doubt?
Sir,
Yes.
so instead of writing cd dot dot, can you just mention the path and write remove directory?
Yes. What? CD dot
Like,
dot.
yeah, instead of that, can we write rmdir, then the path of the directory, like home?
That will check it out. That will check it
Yeah.
out. I didn't write rmdir slash home. One second. What is the directories which are present in the
Santosh
SAN
Reddy.
will see? SAN. Okay. rmdir slash home slash Santosh Reddy P slash SAN slash ABC. Yes, it is worked out, I think so.
Okay.
Sorry, CD, what is that? SAN, LS. Yes, it is working out.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Cleared? Anyone have a doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.